Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'd like to show you how I planned and created 3 mosaics for Cricket's Hope, Art Restores Kids exhibit and fundraiser. All of the artists involved in this exhibit picked one or more kids or teens artwork as their inspiration. I chose 3, and I'll tell you about Iris's first. Iris made this beautiful lion drawing. I decided to make a lion as colorful as possible using dishes, and I used this Zentangle lion image as the springboard. I cut the main pieces in pairs and glued them with thin set. When all was in place, I gave it a happy background and then grouted with a dark grout. I sure hope it does Iris's happy piece justice. Next, I chose Isabelle's artwork as my inspiration. I loved her statement about having big hands to help people. Isabelle's helping hands are made from plates. I had an image of Isabelle for reference, and I tried to show both her joy and love in helping people. Since Isabelle wants to someday work for Cricket's Hope, she's wearing a t-shirt with their name and a heart. I used a dark grout on Isabelle. Lastly, I made Julius, a 7-year-old whose personal statement breaks your heart. The concept was to make a future Julius smiling because he feels safe. I hope that comes soon for Julius. So I'm packing up the pieces to take over to Cricket's Hope, and I wish them all the best in their future show in November. Thanks for watching. Bye!